Hi there, I'm Lewis and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you these palettes from Primark, and I think they're from a new collection because I hadn't seen them before, and they're the K-pop collection. So you've got Sweet Cheeks, blush and highlight palette, and the Sugar Rush eyeshadow palette. Inside they look like this. So you've got 4 colours in the blush and highlights. It's Candy Floss, Jelly Bean, Bonbon and Lemon Sherbet. In the eyeshadow palette, there's no names to the colours, but you can see they're like pretty, innocent, kind of pastel-y shades. And I did create a look with the eyeshadows, but I found like with the blue didn't show up very well dry, so I used it on a damp makeup brush and it came out like that. So yeah, it was quite vivid and bright with a damp makeup brush. So I recommend, if you want it to pop, then use a damp makeup brush. At the end of the video I will show you some swatches, but my overall opinion is on this that it's a good palette. I think it was £4 or £5. The price tag, I kind of took it off as I took the wrapping off, it came off, and this one was £5. And the cute lovely little palettes, they smell good too. They have like a cherry fragrance, kind of smells a bit like cherry drops. They're ever so cute and pretty. I love them. So yeah, overall great palettes. The highlights, I have used the highlights actually. You can see it's coming up. My lighting's not brilliant. Highlights really pigmented, lovely. So are the colours, even though they're a pastel shade. But like I said, I'll show you on the swatches and you can make your own mind up. But yeah, Primark K-pop collection, go and check it out. See you later, thanks for watching, bye.